Alright, so what's up guys? In this series of video that I'm going to do, I'm going to discuss the Autodesk Navisworks Manage 2026. Okay, so the first part of this video, of course, we're going to discuss the user interface of Navisworks Manage. Okay, so this window that you are looking at right now, so this is our Navisworks home. Okay, so we use the Navisworks home to access and manage information related to your models. So Navisworks home displays when you start the software. Okay, so you can return it to any time by clicking this home button on the quick access toolbar, because this part here, this is what you call the quick access toolbar. So if you want to go back to your project, you can always click that button and then you will be going to your scene view or your project. So just click that back again if you want to go to your home view. So from the Navisworks home view, you can go to your active Navisworks model, okay? By again clicking that icon, you can open and create a model, okay? And then you can also view your recent files, okay? So this is your Navisworks home. Now, the next part of the user interface that we're going to discuss is your application button. Okay? So your application button is this one here. If you click that, it will show you the application button. So the application button, it will show you the menu here. So this is your application menu. So it will enables you to access common tools. Okay, so some application menu choices have additional menus that show related commands. Okay, so if you are using Navisworks Freedom, which is just a free software, you will not be able to see a lot of tools compared to your Navisworks Manage, because here on your Navisworks Manage application menu, you can see you have here save as, export, publish. Okay, so these are the options that you cannot see if you are using a Navisworks Freedom software, because Navisworks Freedom is only for viewer and it's a free software. Okay, so again, this window is our Navisworks home. So if you click that big N there, so that is your application button, and then the application button will show you here your applications menu. Okay, so now the next part is your quick access toolbar. So like what I have said earlier, so this is your quick access toolbar. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new project by selecting this icon. That is a new icon. All right, so it will create you a new scene view or a new project. So this is your quick access toolbar. So you can find it here by default at the top of your Navisworks window. So the quick access toolbar displays frequently used commands. Okay, and then your quick access toolbar also, you can position that above just like here or below. So if you want to position it below, you can click the drop down arrow here, and then you can select here show below ribbon. Just like that. So it's now here below. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna click that one and then put it again on the above the ribbon. Okay, because this part here is what you call the ribbon. Okay, anyway, so going back to our quick access toolbar, you can add an unlimited number of buttons here on your quick access toolbar. Okay, so all you have to do is, let's say for example you want to add the clash detective, so you can add that by right clicking, and then you can select here add to quick access toolbar, and then it will now be added here. Okay, so if you want to remove that button from the quick access toolbar, all you have to do is to right click and then just select remove from quick access toolbar. So that's it. So that's your quick access toolbar. Now the next part of our user interface is the info center. Okay, so where is this info center? Info center is this one here. Okay, so this is our info center. So as you can see, there's my username. You can sign out here. You can check the account details, explore purchase options, manage the license, and you can also check the privacy settings here. So that's our info center. Okay, so now the next part of our user interface is our ribbon. Okay, so this is our ribbon here. Okay, so the ribbon, as you can see here, it is a palette that displays task-based tools and controls. Again, if you are using Navisworks Freedom, you will not be able to see all the tools that you are seeing right now here in Navisworks Manage. Okay, so the ribbon is divided into tabs like this one. So you have the home tab, viewpoint, review, animation, view, output, and other tabs. Okay, so this tab supporting a specific activity. So like for example, if you go to the viewpoint tab, so these are the tools that you can use to create a viewpoint, to create a perspective view, to navigate your model, okay, and to do some rendering style. Okay, so this is a task base. All right, so task base series of panels. That's why we call this ribbon panels. Like if this is ribbon tab, like home tab, view tab, review panel. Okay, you see the names here. Okay, so the correct term there is panel. So that's your ribbon panel. So like project panel, select and search panel, visibility panel, display panel, tools panel. And then you can also notice that there are some panels wherein you can expand it. You can click that and then you can expand. You can click that pin if you want to pin that, because if that is unpinned, you move your pointer away, it will automatically hide. Okay, like that. Okay, so there are some panels that you can expand, and then you can also click this arrow here that is pointing to the lower right corner. So that's what you call a dialog launcher. So there are some panels that contains expanded panel or dialog launcher. Okay, so you can click that. It will open up a dialog launcher here. Right? Okay. Now, if you are looking here at the right side, you see you can use this one to minimize your panel buttons. If you want to save up some space, so you can click that arrow, it will minimize to panel buttons. So you click that, that will become panel buttons, right? So you can still hover your pointer and then it will still show you the tools that you have there, right? And it also gives you some space here for your scene view. So if you click that again, so what happens is it will minimize to panel titles. So I click that one, so it will now become titles only. Again, it will give you another space here. It will expand your space for the scene view, and then you can still hover your pointer there, and then you still be able to use the tools that you want on the ribbon tab. Okay, and then if you click again, totally it will minimize to tabs. So you click that, so it's only tab there. Okay, so wider space to work on. Again, if you click that, you will still be able to use the tools here. And then if you move your pointer away, it will hide. Click that back again and it will show you again the whole ribbon. Okay, so that is our ribbon. So just a review, what is this again? So this is our home button that will brings you to the home view. You click that again. This is now your project, and then that big N, so that's your application button. If you click that, it will show you the applications menu, and then this is your quick access toolbar. Okay, and then by the way, this is the title of your project, and then the version of the Navisworks you are using. Okay, and then this is our info center. Info center, you can go to the App Store, and then you can go to the help button. And then aside from that, you also have your ribbon here. Okay, so this whole thing That's your ribbon. Okay, and then you have the panels. And then you have the buttons. Okay, so that's our ribbon. Now, another part of our user interface, of course, is the scene view. Okay, so this is our scene view. So this is the area where you view and interact with your 3D models. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open a sample exercise here. So I'll just select here, open. And then I'll just select, let's say, structure. So I just select structure. You always have this one. Once you install your Navisworks, you can access the sample files. Okay, I'm going to show you. So you can click your navigation button here, your application button, and then you go to open here, click that arrow, and then you can see the sample files here. So you click the sample files, and then you will be going to the samples folder. Okay, so what I'm going to use here is the getting started folder. Just double click that, and then I'll just select one of the NWC file here, like for example structure, and then I'll just select here open. Okay, there you go. So this is now our scene view. Okay, so this is where you view and interact with your 3D models. So when you start Navisworks, the scene view contains only one view, but you can add more views if needed. So custom views are named, let's say, view X, where X is the next available number, something like that. View 1, view 2, okay? So you can create multiple views. So we will be discussing those things as we moves on, or as we discuss more topics in our future video. So I'm just telling you that this part here of our user interface is your scene view. Okay? And aside from the scene view, okay, you also have these windows here. Anyway, I'm just going to close some of the windows there. I'm going to just close that one. Okay? Right, so those are the windows. So if you want to turn on the windows here, what you can do is you can go to the View tab and then look for the Workspace panel, and then you can see here Windows. So if you click the windows here, you can see these are the windows that you can use in your project. Okay, so right now nothing is checked here. So let's say I want the selection tree. So I'm gonna check the selection tree, and there you go. It will now show my selection tree here. So let's say I want my properties. So I just go back again to my windows and then look for properties, click that, and then there's my properties. So most of the Navisworks features are accessible from the dockable window. So you can dock this one. As you can see, as I hold my left click on that part, I can drag that, and then I can dock that to here if I want. Okay, so I'll just move that again. So let's say I want to dock it here. Just move your pointer to that icon that you are seeing, so you can put it there. So these are all dockable windows. Okay, so of course the standard way of putting your windows is put it in on your side here, or you can put it on the another screen. If you have another screen, you can put your window, for example, your selection tree, if you want to have enough space. All right, so these are all our dockable windows. So you can drag that, and then you can put it back again there, like that. Okay, by the way, you can also do that on your panels. Like for example, you want your visibility to be a floating panel. So all you have to do is to hold your left click and drag that, and there you go. So it's now floating. Okay, you want to put it back again, just hold your left click and then put it back again there. There you go. So right, so something that you can play around with your ribbon panel. Okay, so aside from the scene view, okay, so you also have your, what else? Status bar. Okay, so the status bar. So status bar is this part that you are seeing here below. So this is our status bar. Okay, basically this area here. So this is your status bar. So the status bar appears, as you can see, at the bottom of the Navisworks screen. So it cannot be customized or moved around. Okay, so here at the right hand corner of the status bar, it includes 4 performance indicators that give you constant feedback. So these are the indicators. Constant feedback as to how well your Navisworks Freedom or manage or simulate is performing on your machine. Okay? A button to toggle the sheet browser window and controls to navigate between sheets models in multi-sheets is also in this window here on our status bar. If you click this one here, it will show you there the sheet browser. Okay, so let me just close that again. Right, so that is our status bar. Okay, so what else? So basically, that is the basic user interface of Navisworks. So just a review. So that is our application button. If you click the application button, it will show you the applications menu. Okay. So this is your home button. So you click that one, it will show you the home view. Okay. And then this is your quick access toolbar. And then this is your project name, the version of your Navisworks. Here is your info center. Okay, and then this is your ribbon. Okay, and then what else? So this is your scene view. These are your windows, your dockable windows, and then you have your status bar. Okay, so that's it for our simple user interface discussion for Navisworks Manage 2026. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.